My name is Xavior Fitzgibbon. I'm from Wilson, New York. I went to Wilson High School. I take machining and CNC programming. I chose Alfred State because it was the cheapest option for me and the best option for me as far as the machining and CNC programming side. Having all these machines makes it easy for me to be intrigued with what I want to do and what I want to go forward with in my career, to learn as much as I can with the short amount of time that I'm here. There's so many job opportunities that comes out of Alfred State, like career fairs and different things like that, that I think that make it really good to come here. You're not going to get as good as it gets here. I've looked at community colleges that provide the same program and some other outside colleges, but they just don't get the experience, the really hands-on experience. Alfred State's giving me the tools to program my future.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.